Hello, folks. We hope you all are doing good and staying safe at home and following all the safety guidelines. It's almost 6 months since the lockdown due to the coronavirus pandemic, and most of us are still clueless about the future. Even though lives have resumed to some extent, uncertainty still prevails predominantly. Almost every section of our society is equally hit and is suffering due to this virus outbreak and also due to the lockdown that followed, whether it's a businessman or a common man. Everyone seems to be sailing on the very same boat as others. But a few particular sections of our society seems to have suffered more than others when it comes to the concerns of health and safety due to the virus. And one such section is of the elderly people amongst us. According to the guidelines issued by the WHO and other researchers and doctors from all over the world, the elderly or people above 60 years of age are more prone to be infected by the coronavirus. While most of us are worried for our loved ones that are older and are living with us or are even far away from us, we must not forget that there are a few such others who have nobody to look after them. और तो और ऐसे वक्त में सबसे ज़्यादा तकलीफ और चुनौतियों का सामना करना पड़ रहा है वृद्धाश्रमों को, जिनमें से कईयों की फंडिंग भी इस लॉकडाउन के वजह से प्रभावित हुई है. So taking this situation into consideration, our NSS unit of Thakur Ramnarayan College of Arts and Commerce has decided to step forward and help one such old age home by donating dry ration kits.
On this momentous occasion of the 51st National Service Scheme Foundation Day on the 24th of September 2020, the University of Mumbai, Thakur Ramnarayan College of Arts and Commerce, Daisar, Thakur College of Science and Commerce, Kandivali, in collaboration with NGO My Green Society, Making the Difference Foundation, and Donate Card organized a ration kit distribution drive for around 1200 Mumbai Dabbawalas in the premises of Thakur College of Science and Commerce, Kandivali. To mark the 51st Foundation Day of NSS with their motto of "Not me, but you," this donation drive was initiated to provide food grains and other important daily necessities to the Mumbai Dabbawalas. In light of the continued pandemic, many people are deprived of their basic amenities. On the occasion of NSS Day, a new program under the area-based project Smile activity was conducted. This program was about donating dry ration kits to Maru Ghar, an old age home. The motive behind this program was to bring smile on the faces of the bedridden golden agers. Mumbai Dabbawalas are also adversely affected due to the lockdown and subsequent closure of offices across Mumbai. the NSS unit of Thakur Ramnarayan College of Arts and Commerce and Thakur College of Science and Commerce, along with their dedicated 60 volunteers and program officers, led this mega project. The volunteers provided their helping hand to make more than 5,000 packets containing 50 kgs of ration, which included wheat flour, rice, pulses, oil, salt, and other essential spices. The ex-volunteers have always been a backbone for NSS activities. Their involvement in the project showcased their dedication to society even after completing of their education from college, which is highly commendable. It has proved that NSS has deeply implanted the seeds in these volunteers of a sense of social responsibility. This humanitarian event was supported by Dr. Mrs. C.T. Chakraborty, Principal of Thakur College of Science and Commerce, Professor Sudhir Puranik, NSS Director, University of Mumbai, Dr. Ravi Singh, Principal of Thakur Ramnarayan College of Arts and Commerce, Mr. Sumit Rathod, Program Officer, and Ms. Ranjani Shukla, Assistant Program Officer of NSS at Thakur Ramnarayan College of Arts and Commerce, and they guided and motivated the volunteers at every step for this noble cause. While expressing gratitude, Mr. Sopan Mare, the ex-president of Mumbai Dabbawalas, thanked all the organizing partners and especially appreciated the work and discipline of NSS volunteers. Sri Thakur Jitendra Singh, Secretary at Thakur Educational Trust, Sri Thakur Sagar Singh, Management Representative at Thakur Educational Trust, along with the Corporator of Kandivali, were also present on the occasion and handed over the kits to the Mumbai Dabbawalas. Mr. Ramesh Devkar, NSS Program Officer at University of Mumbai, also graced the occasion with his presence. Mr. Sushil Jaju, founder at My Green Society, Mr. Deepak Vishwakarma, co-founder at Making the Difference Foundation, also played important roles in accomplishing this, featuring Mr. Sushil Shinde, NSS Program Officer and District Coordinator, Mumbai Suburb, coordinated the event. On the occasion of NSS Foundation Day, NSS volunteers Gopal Rai Thata and Karan Chaudhary met the Honorable Governor of Maharashtra, Shri Bhagat Singh Koshyari ji. Efforts of volunteers were appreciated during this pandemic and future course of action was discussed. With this, we pledge to keep working in the years to come. Stay safe, stay happy, and take care of the elders around you. Jai Hind.